Okay. Um, AUD, AUD USD. My bad. I was really in my thoughts for a second there, guys. Yeah, I think it's going to go up. I don't want to get in right here because there wasn't like a strong enough like direct pullback. It's a pullback, yeah, but I'm not trading over here. It was a pullback and then it went sideways for a while. I don't really want to get in right there. I don't like how MACD looks. You know, there's this like head and shoulder MACD looking pattern. I don't know if that's really a thing, but it looks like a head and shoulder kind of. But I do think we're going to go higher. We've got a couple um, things that are causing resistance. It's 200 EMA on the 4-hour chart. And has been a pretty big and significant player. I'm always paying attention to this 50 EMA on the daily. Um, we're overextended though overall to the downside, so it's about time that we bounced up. But I just don't know if we have enough pressure to bounce off of those levels and make it happen just yet. So I put it on the list just to watch it, man. Really, to be honest. So this is the one. This is the one that we really want to analyze and take a look at. This is what's worth paying close attention to what happened here. This is a play that I wanted to get into. We're overextended, similar to another trade I took earlier. I think it was a euro base trade, euro USD maybe. Go back and look. But we're way overextended considering our fib level. I knew that there was a turnaround coming, and I just wanted to get in early on it, right? And I did. I got in early. This is the first higher high, higher low noticed, higher high, higher low noticed. So then, as soon as we had a higher low again, I decided, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get in right here off of the key level, not the pivot. It was too late for the pivot when I saw this, so I said, all right, I'm gonna get in on this key level. I picked it, stopped beyond the support, and then I shot a target for uh, let's see here. My target was at 2% is where I got out. So my target should have been up here somewhere. I think it was. And yeah, it was actually. I've already moved it down. So my target was at this key level, the top range. And you notice that, it ended up going up there. But as soon as it came up and I started seeing these candles start forming, I got out. Ended up getting out at 2%. You might be thinking to yourself, well, you didn't pick the top. You could have gotten a lot more, 3% for this trade, whatever. Yeah, I could have. But I also could have accidentally held on to it a little bit too long. And you see how it just dropped right back down. Right back down. Crazy. Strong movement down. Several in a row. There's a couple green in there, but like it dropped like crazy. And relative to the fact that it's an intraday move, right? But all those gains would have been gone. And this is why it's so smart not to be, um, don't look for home runs in every single trade. Some trades are set up so that that's what you're playing for is a home run by far 100%. But some trades you got to just get in and out. And this is a great example of that. And, going and picking it up and getting out of there. This trade itself only lasted for um, a handful of hours. It wasn't very long at all. I put this on at night at 9 o'clock, um, and then got out at say probably like 3 o'clock or so. So it looks like 3 or 4. Same day trade. So there it is, man. All right. So I think I've got that's it. Yeah. Let me do a AUD JPY. So this was for not enough room bad MACD. I did not take this trade. That's why you don't see a vertical line. I just wanted to mock it up so you guys can see why I didn't want to jump into this one. Yeah, it's trending upwards, but the MACD itself isn't supportive at all. Even though I was able to make it happen with the AUD NZD, I got lucky. To be honest, I got in and out. but this one wouldn't have been so lucky, and I'd actually be in the red right now. Almost stopped out. So just notice the difference. Look at this. Pay attention to MACD, and start to be able to realize and understand whenever a trade is too tight to take, is just a quick in and out type of trade, and then kind of risk. Kind of go back and figure out if you're worth risking that for a quick little move, because sometimes it's not worth it. A lot of times it's not worth it, to be honest. So, all right, yeah. Peace.